Hey, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. Whatever time you might be watching this video, I want to give you a little bit of information about probability as soon as this thing pops up. There is a video you will be watching, but this is just some additional information to let you know about what you got going on today. Okay, so the content, of course, for this day is students will determine the probability of an event and use this probability in order to make conclusions about risk involved in certain decisions. All right. Students will know the definition and vocabulary of probability. Students will understand how to determine probability from a given situation. And students will be able to write down and discuss properties used to determine probability. All right. So, what is probability? Probability is the chance of something happening. A lot of things can happen to you in life, and there are certain factors that determine the likelihood of that thing happening, whether it could happen very quickly and easily, or more than likely, it's not going to happen to you. Okay. Some of the probability vocabulary, of course, the word probability is the odds of an event occurring. It is normally written with a capital P and the event, which is the thing that you're checking the probability for, inside parentheses. P of X, the value of probability, which is the percent of chance that something will happen. That ranges between 0, which means that it's not going to happen at all, and 1, which means that it is going to happen. All right. Sample space is the total number of possible outcomes of an experiment. When you see the word replacement, that means that if I take something out of a bag or a box and I calculate the probability, I end up putting it back into that box. Without replacement basically means that if I'm taking something out of a container, I do not put it back. And that changes the situation when you do probability, one probability after another. Okay, so what you need to do is take a moment and see if you can calculate the probability of these 5 particular questions. And these are all dice questions. As you should know, dice have 6 sides, the ones that we're talking about in this case. And because they have 6 sides, that means that, you know, there's only 6 total outcomes that can happen. So see if you can figure out the probability of these 5 and then go to the next video.